Hi, and welcome to this process simulator solution. The subject of this solution is the while do statement. The while do statement repeats a statement or statement block continuously while a condition remains true. While do is an entry condition loop, meaning that the loop will not execute at all unless a condition is true. In this model, we have one dummy entity arriving every hour for 10 hours into activity 1. And within the activity 1 logic, we will use a while do loop to order 10 documents to activity 2. So let's go into the activity 1 properties by right-clicking on activity 1 and clicking on properties. And our activity 1 dialog box will open up, and we'll click on logic, and our logic builder will open up. Now let's go over what we have here in our activity 1 logic. On line 1, we create a local variable x, and we will use this local variable in order to control the ordering of our documents to activity 2. So here in line 2 is where we create our while do loop. So this basically says while x, our local variable, is less than 10, we are going to do the logic here in line 3 and line 4. And so while that local variable is less than 10, we're going to order one document to activity 2 and then increment x. So each dummy entity that comes in will stay within this while do loop until it becomes false, which in this case will be once x becomes 10 or greater. So each dummy entity that arrives into activity 1 should order 10 documents to activity 2. Since we have a total of 10 dummy entities set to arrive in this model, we should have 100 documents exit. So let's exit out of the logic builder and out of our activity 1 properties and click simulate to see if the model performs the way we want. So as you'll see, as the dummy entity comes in, 10 documents will be ordered here to activity 2. So that came in and it went up to 10 again, and these will exit and move on. And when the simulation ends, I'll speed up the simulation. As you can see, we have 100 total exits, which confirms that we have these 10 dummy entities coming into activity 1, and each of those ordered 10 documents to activity 2. So our while do loop worked. And that concludes this process simulator solution. Have a fabulous day and happy modeling.